Speak louder.
I'm here teaching you only for today. Alright. Here only. This is going to only.
Epic fail. Twice. You're killing me. Epic. Third time. Okay. Thank you for watching this episode of RNG. My partner is badly injured. Please like or subscribe if you think this is funny or this guy is just a little crazy. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, watch next video. Bless your face. If you sneeze in the middle of this video, bless you. Peace out.